Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how to add your own songs to your Instagram story. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments after watching the video. And let's get started. So, if you open up the Instagram app, swipe to the left side, you'll go to the History menu. Here you'll be able to select any photo or video to post to your story. And you'll be able to put music on the photo or video. To do this, you will need to click on the music sticker at the top. And here you'll be able to choose from a huge number of songs that you like. Also, if you don't like the songs that are provided in this menu, you can enter the name of the song or the artist in the search box and choose specifically from the artist that you want. But if you want to add your own song, for example, the one you have in your phone, unfortunately, if you go to the Songs menu, there is no function in Instagram how you can add your own song. Instagram doesn't provide that. So if you can, then search for your song in the search box in order to add it. If you don't have that song, then the only way is to edit your photo or video before you even post it to your Instagram story with a specialized video editing app, such as CapCut, InShot, and other apps. Thanks to them, you'll be able to upload a photo and put whatever music you have on your phone over it. Only if you do it beforehand and save that photo or video with your music. After that, you can already in the story add the finished version with your music. I hope this video was helpful for you. You have learned how you can add your own song to Instagram. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, also put your likes, and until new meetings, friends.